What up, YouTube? How is everyone today? Today is exciting. We finally got our seat brackets in, so let's take a look at the interior. It's 99% done, guys. Obviously, you guys can see I got the seats in, the brackets are in. I got the floor mats in. I still got to do a video of the install for the rear seat delete to be able to keep the top part on. So stay tuned for that. The only thing I'm waiting for is my USB cigarette lighter delete kit to get it in. It should be here any day, and that'll just pop right in and we're done. But yeah, guys, I just want to give you a quick look of the new interior of the car. And I'm kind of very happy because I was hoping to get this done in 2 weeks, and I actually got it done only in a week and a half. With everything, running wires, getting the radio, getting the B&M shifter in, getting everything situated. Like I said, we're 99% complete. The rear seat, I just got to do the top part and show you what we got trimmed for that. And then obviously we're just waiting for the cigarette lighter USB port to come in. And we are fully done, guys. Just give you guys a bird eye view of what the interior looks like. The red seats with the black look really good with the red car, guys. Super happy. I love the new floor mats with the GT on it. That looks so nice. Oh yeah, I did the bullet pedals, which gives it a more premier feel. Like I said, guys, I was going to do the LMR steering wheel, but man, I know this is real leather, and it looks really good, guys. There's nothing really wrong with them. The only thing I do want to do, guys, with the interior, guys, I do want to do the chrome trim that goes around the gauges. So if anyone out there knows a good company that actually makes a really good kit that goes around the gauges, because that way everything kind of matches with the silver or bullet, they'll look super sharp. So what do you guys think? Comment below, tell me what you guys think about the interior. I feel like it really brought the interior together, and it looks so beautiful. It doesn't even look like a 2004 anymore. So yeah, guys, just doing a quick update of the interior. Is 99% complete. Super excited, guys. Another thing that we did install were the headlights. I did LED license plate reverse light. Oh yeah, we did get the, I forgot what they call it, but it's like the Mach 1 style rear. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We still gotta do the windows tint. I think I'm gonna wait till next year to do that, and then we're gonna do paint correction and ceramic coat it, and that's gonna be next spring. But yeah, guys, we have the whole interior to do. I meant exterior to do now. So we have the full exhaust. We got supercharger, we got the oil pan. I got it drilled out. I'm just waiting on a tap, so that way I have that finished. And like I said, guys, we have other boxes to install on the car, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe. Tell me what you guys think so far of the interior, and what you guys do. One more to show you guys. And obviously we lost a lot of weight from taking the rear seats out, taking the spare tire out.